Alright, Sarah, here's the museum. This is where you would walk out and onto the whole patio area here. This is where you could probably do food underneath there. Big area.
Yeah, that's a really big area.
Let's walk. Pretty fountain.
They could get married in front of the fountain.
Yes, you could get married in front of the fountain here. There's that little stage area.
A lot nicer.
And that is Ybor City Museum.
So the